Hey up, I'm Zenju 2011, and that is George Gabroff. He's going to execute you while attacking you at the same time, because he's British with that British accent. What a shame, you miserable wretch. Don't know why I did that. It's just for laughs. Anyway, how's it going, YouTubers? I hope you have a pleasant Halloween. No, seriously, I hope you had a good Halloween yesterday. I did. It was amazing. First off, we went to see Silent Hill Revelations. You know what? You know what my reaction to that is? Amazing. Looks like I have a scar, but I don't. But yeah, amazing. That film blew me away. There were some good scenes. The story was pretty good. They could have done better, but they still know how to work the kinks and all that with Silent Hill. Still like the first one though, but the second one actually touched my heart. And I think I scared a couple of my mates, because whenever they showed a scene of a death and all that, I basically go hysterical laugh. Like, let's see, when me and my friend Josh, or the Joshua, went to see Final Destination 5, whenever we see a death scene, I just basically clap my hands and laugh like a mental person. Because I do enjoy death scenes from a human being and all that. I know it's not nice in real life, but when it comes to the movies, you gotta laugh at it. I mean, there's some deaths that are like pretty hilarious. But I think this Deathgasm laugh went to the next higher level. Instead of like a woo, it's more like a like a pops laugh. Oh my god! And I was like clapping my hands. I mean, basically, Gabrant, stay. Basically, whenever like I said, I clap my hands and stamp my feet. Comparing to Final Destination and Final Destination, I laughed at Kappa and I was like that, and stomping my feet. While Silent Hill laughed like Pops, but some of the best death scenes, I just went like this. And stamped my feet rapidly. Even the bit with the nurses. The nurses! Oh my god! I'm not going to spoil it, because you already know what's going to be in it. It's nurses and all that, but I won't give you the direct details of it. You have to go watch it. I recommend it. It is good. You've got Sean Bean in it. You've got young Kit Harington. The guy who played as Jon Snow in Game of Thrones, he's in it as well. Oh my god. Yeah, go watch it. I recommend it. So, what else is on the agenda? One more week till QCon. Did I say QCon? I meant to say Urticon. I'm so sorry, Urticon. It's just too many cons. But what can you do? You love too many cons. If you don't know where it is, it's going to be held in the Helix at Dublin City University. You can't miss it. It's just like big, round, circular building. There'll be loads of like cosplayers lining up and all this. You won't miss it. So I'm just basically checking how much monthly return ticket is without the whole from Bangor to Belfast, from Bangor to Dublin, because at the counter it is about 39 quid. Online it's 30 quid. Just to add on. So I was just basically checking how much a single ticket from just Bangor to Belfast is. So the fares, and I realized departing from Le Bangor to Belfast Central. Calculating the fares. Single, it's $5.20. Particular land. Dude, It just... Wait. I'm in the N-ways instead of Enterprise. Ah! Kabrav! Stop up and ganging style the freaking iPod and teabagging it at the same time. Yeah, crazy judge. I don't know who pissed him off, but whoever you are, he's coming for you. Also, as you may have noticed, I'm starting getting longer and longer hair. Yeah! I mean, like, basically for next year, on Sunday for QCon, I am going as Loki, but knowing that the cosplay masquerade and the cosplay skit is on a Sunday, I'll just put Loki on a Friday. Saturday I'll take a break, and then Sunday, Sage of the Six Cons. That means everything works out fine. Yeah. Right. Fares and tickets. Right. Web fair, online fair. Stupid. So, standard web fair. That's it. Add-on fair. Banger. Oh yeah, Friday the 9th. I have to ask what time the guys want to meet up and all that. See you. Memphis return. So it'll be Friday 19th. I leave and then head home on Monday the 12th. That's this. 1. So I have to check what time you guys want to meet up and all this. Well, without further ado, Befty, shut up. So, who is it? Whose birthday is it today? We got 3. Yes! And it's the 1st of November. So, happy birthday to everyone who was born on the 1st of November. I mean, it's getting closer to Christmas. Anyway, first off too is Ellen Grant, who is 18. Happy birthday to you, darling. Louise McGipsy, 39. Happy birthday, madam. I hope you don't get drunk. Alex Komorov and Andrew Robb. So happy birthday to everyone, and happy birthday to everyone else who's born on the 1st of November. Leave a comment over videos, man. Tell me, did you enjoy Halloween? And if so, what did you do on Halloween? I did get a chance to say happy Halloween to you guys because, one, it was on a Wednesday. But I know next year, it's on a Thursday. So that means we get to have a Halloween vlog next year. Anyway, I gotta get going here. Love me, add me, subscribe me as a friend. Cheerio!